Welcome to the Fan Seat Inflatable Chair Assembly tutorial. First, remove the product carefully from the box, making sure you have enough space around you to inflate the product safely. Press the inflatable inner inside the fabric, matching the B symbol and F symbol printed on the inflatable inner to the front and the back of the cover. If the two parts have been aligned correctly, the valve will be at the opposite end of the zip. Inflate to approximately half capacity. Pinch the two edges of the zip opening along with the inflatable inner and shake so the inner inflates correctly. Inflate to approximately 3/4 capacity and shake again. Close the zipper to the point where you can still see the valve. Please note, this must be completed as the zipper will not close at full inflation. Inflate to capacity. Remove pump and insert top cap, pushing the cap in. And finally, now you can fully close the zipper. Thank you for your purchase and enjoy your fan seat.